Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Noodle coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got some that came in an umai crate. You can head over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Nice boxes from them. And today we've got one by Samurai Ramen, and it just says Samurai Ramen, made in Japan, and then a lot of no. So we got no animal, no MSG, no garlic, no onion. Samurai Ramen. Hey, look at that. No pork, no chicken, no cow, no fish, no garlic, no onion, no alcohol, no MSG. I mean, it's like, I think I just want to call this no ramen. I don't know, but it sounds like it's got a miso flavor to it. I've had one by this company before, and I swore that I like absolutely couldn't stand it, but actually I looked at the review and I gave it a pretty decent score, so maybe this ends up being quite good. You get 2 servings in the pack, got some straight noodles, drop those in the boiling water for 3 minutes and see what happens with that. So the last review I did was very vegetarian, and this one's like this one's vegan, so it should be like night and day. I'm very curious about this. One thing that I really love are straight noodles. I think the last one would have been good with straight noodles too. Oh, that's a thought. I could take the last one and just use the sachet from it and then use the noodles from this one. But I think I've got another packet of that one. The last one I did was a prison ramen. So, and hopefully it is, because I'm pretty sure the order should be right. But I can order it differently on YouTube and order it differently on the site. So really doesn't matter. We're good. Speaking of YouTube, just hit 10,000 subscribers today, which is the 21st of November 2019. Thank you guys for following the show. You guys need to like evangelize Instant Noodle Recipe Time if you can. Just tell everybody. And you know, one thing they say is you're supposed to let people know of like how you might make a buck or two. One of those things is, this is like a disclosure statement. I'm not trying to get you to do this, but if you do, I'm totally happy with it. So if you look at my reviews on www.theramenraider.com, you can scroll down on one, and right after the image of the finished product and the little blurb about it, there'll be a link to an Amazon product. Hopefully the same one that I review, but if I can't find that, I put something else, something relevant. Like, if they don't have this, I'll find like a cookbook on vegan stuff. If you go to that and buy it, I get a little something something. And if you just go to that link and you don't buy it, but you keep looking around on Amazon and stuff and buy a bunch of stuff, I get a little thing from that, and it doesn't cost you any extra. So it's called an Amazon affiliate link. So, but now you know. That's one thing too. I get a few bucks from there's AdSense ads on the site too. If you've got an ad blocker, you won't see them. But I need to get one of those little plugins that say, "Hey, turn off your ad blocker," because that would make a huge difference if you could do that on theramenraider.com, honestly. But there's just like, there's so many things I wish I could get to and change on the site, and this spot and that spot, but it's just like, time is such a commodity. Man, all I want for Christmas is time. And I don't mean a subscription to the magazine. God, no. but all right. So it's a liquid, it's a wet sachet. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, not very thick. Felt like it was going to be a thick, pasty stuff. More milky. It's crummy because I'd really like to add some junk into this, but I don't feel that that's the right thing to do for this product. It smells all right, kinda. It doesn't smell like what I expect. I expected a really, really raucous, strong, and beastie red miso kind of thing. And I don't know, if you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of red miso. Although I don't mind it if it's a mix of red miso and other stuff. So let's, did I turn that burner off? Yeah, I turned it off. So can you see? Yeah, you can see. Boiling hot bowl of noodles. Let's try the noodles themselves. Good noodles. Here's the broth. Just burnt my mouth on those noodles. It's a salty, kind of little bit of a red miso thing going on. It's not bad. I like the noodles, but it's like, what do you add to it? If it's a fetid vegetable thing, no onion, no. I could add some mung bean sprouts. I don't know, I like putting garlic and onion in it as much, you know, like stuff like that. I could put some sesame seeds on it. I think I'm allowed to do that. Let me do that. I'm putting black ones on there. Alright. And I think that's as far as I'm going to go. I don't want to get yelled at. But if there's like somebody out there who does do the I think is it Taoist Buddhist monks? If there's any Buddhist monks who watch this show, I would absolutely love it if you could explain what's okay to put on stuff, especially for like the 9 Emperor Gods Festival, stuff like that. What's okay to add, you know? Tofu's okay, isn't it? Mushrooms are okay. Was it scallions, shallots are not. Any onions aren't. Garlic isn't. It's basically like the oily stuff with really pungent flavors. I don't even know if coriander, cilantro, I don't know if that's okay to do. So. But let's let this do its rotato action. And yeah, that sounds good. Some different music. Yeah, I mean, if you, I don't know, I just, for display purposes, I don't want to add anything different to it. But I mean, obviously, nobody's going to beat down your door if you want to throw pork, egg, whatever you want on this stuff. So, but yeah, this is good. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.